What was I saying? Manas, did you attend yesterday? You attended yesterday? Oh, sir, exactly. I told you all to learn the trigonometric formulas, Channa Keshav. Sin A plus B formula.
Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Sin A minus B, Supriya. Didn't I teach you this in CET class? Sin A minus B. Sin A cos B. Sin A cos B. Haley, sin A cos B. Who can tell me sin A minus B among the girls? Among the girls. Manas, you're not a girl, you know that, right? Yes, among the girls, who can tell me sin A minus B? Bhati. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now, what is the formula for cos A plus B? Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And what is cos A minus B? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So now, our given question of integration is what? Integrate sine of something into sine of something, isn't it? Where do you find sine something into sine something? Sine of an angle into sine of an angle? In your cos A plus B and cos A minus B formula, isn't it? And last year in your PUC 1, if you remember, adding these two formulas or subtracting these two formulas gave you two other formulas, isn't it? If you add these two formulas, what will you get? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B gives you what? 2 cos A cos B. And subtracting them gives you what? Subtracting them gives you what? Cos A, subtract like this, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B gives you what? Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Cos A cos B minus cos A cos B cancel. And sin A sin B minus minus plus sin A sin B. What do you get? 2 sin A sin B, isn't it? 2 sin A sin B. So see, we get 2 sin A sin B. And here in our integral we need integration of sin A sin B. Isn't it? What is sin A sin B then from here? What can you write? Half of sin A sin B will be what? Half of what will be sin A into sin B? What will be sin A into sin B, Mahati? 2 will come this side now. Half of cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, isn't it, Varuni? Do you agree? Varun? Yes or no? So what can I write sin A sin B as? What can I write sin A sin B as? Sin A sin B would be what? Half cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Which one should we take A? You can take any one of them as A, no worries. Let us take 8x as A. Let us take the bigger one as A. Okay? The bigger angle is 8x, let us take that one as A. Same thing, you will get the same answer even if you take sin 4x as also sin A. Okay? So sin, what can you write here? Sin 8x into sin 4x dx, yes or no? And what is the formula of sin A into sin B? Half of cos A minus B. What is A minus B? 8 minus 4? 4x. Minus cos A plus B. 8 plus 4? 12x. Yes or no? And this half, can it go outside of integration? So I'll write it outside of integration. See, is this line clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Any doubt in this? Huh? I told you all to learn the formulas, didn't I, Harshita? Yes. Did you learn them? No. Did you go and open your book at home? No, you did not. When will you do that? After the exam? Huh? After your finals, huh? Next year. Huh? Very good. So, Sin A sin B, what is the formula? Half of cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, right? Half is constant, we can write it outside of integration. Your constants can go freely in and out of integration. So it will be what? Half of, now we can split the integration across the minus sign, yes or no? It will be half of cos 4x dx minus integration of cos 12x dx. Isn't it? What is integration of cos x? Integration of cos x? Sin x, minus or plus? Plus sin x. Now, what is integration of cos x? Plus sin x, isn't it? So, what will be integration of cos 4x? Sin 4x by 4. Do you remember we did this? Minus, what is integration of cos 12x? Sin 12x by 12. Isn't it? So, what is your final answer? Sin 4x by 8 minus sin 12x by, multiply the half inside, 2 into 12, and by the way indefinite integration, so plus c. So this is your answer. This is your integration answer, isn't it? Sweetie Venkatesh? Yes or no, same answer? Huh? Oh, it's okay, same answer, same thing. You can write like this, you can leave it at the second last step, you can write it by multiplying half inside, whatever you prefer, okay? Clear? Venkatesh? Understood? So note it down quickly. Whoever have not done this as your homework, quickly note it down. Any doubt in this, anyone? Arul? Gagana? Did you do your homework? No, sir. Excellent. You see the board? Suhas, clear? Okay. What happened? What happened? Tell me what happened, Mahati? Manati, what happened? Huh? Done? Written? Clear? Huh? Yes or no? Is it clear? Okay. Done? Clear? Then try this question now, everyone. Can I erase the board? Arey Baba, Meena, do quickly, no? Is it clear? Any doubt? Anyone? I've been asking you again and again. I'll be taking this chapter slowly, integration chapter. I've told you this previously as well. I'll take this chapter slowly. Because...
Is there any problem without plus C?
Sorry?
Is there any problem without plus C?
Harshita, why do we write plus C? Why do we write plus C? In this indefinite integration, wait, Harshita, yeah. Why do we write, no. First of all, you asked me, is there any problem without plus C? First of all, the plus C is not given in the problem. When we are solving the problem, in the solution we are writing plus C. Why are we writing plus C? I explained you so many times. Harshita?
Plus C.
Why?
Plus constant.
Yes, plus C is a constant.
Zero.
Plus C is constant of integration. Why do we write plus C? Why do we write plus C? Because what is integration? Opposite of differentiation, isn't it? When we differentiate it, say, we know that integration of 1 by x dx is what? Log x. That means what? Differentiating log x gives us 1 by x. Yes or no? Yes. So if there was any constant added to log x, answer would have been the same, because differentiation of that constant would have been 0. Now, when you are asked to integrate 1 by x, you don't know what originally the constant was. Did they mention? No. We don't know what that constant was. It could have been plus 3, plus 4, minus 7, whatever, minus 8, or maybe no constant at all. So that is why, to indicate that maybe there was a constant, we don't know what that was, to keep that provision, that even if there was a constant, we'll just mention that, yes, there could have been a constant. That is why we write plus C. This plus C is called what? Constant of integration. And we don't know what the definite value of this plus C is, isn't it? That is why this integration is called indefinite integration. No? Clear? For the fourth time? Understood? Yes, you will have a problem without plus C at the later part of the chapter. Still a long way left. In the later part of the chapter, when we will be studying definite integral, now we are studying indefinite integral. Why? Because we don't have any definite value of plus C. Later part of the chapter, when you will be studying definite integral, that time you will be seeing that you don't need to write plus C. We'll see that later. So now, let us do this question. Write this, everyone. Try this question quickly. Integration of sine square x by 1 plus cos x dx. Integration of sine square x by 1 plus cos x dx. Your question number 12 of exercise 7.3. Try it quickly. Integration. Sine square x by 1 plus cos x. Try it quickly, try it everyone. I told you to try the question. What are you doing, Harshita? Integration of sine square x by 1 plus cos x dx. Try. When I give you some advice that study the trigonometric formulas, learn them, revise them, listen to my advice, okay? Because you'll be needing that now. I'll be showing you this one more question, okay? And try to practice the other questions on your own. Whatever questions you have in the exercise. And if you have any doubt in any question, then ask me. You'll be finding me here only. But you can only have doubt if you practice at home, if you study at home. So now, try this here. Try this question, Supriya. Did you understand the previous one, Supriya? Try this now, quickly. What happened? Try it. Varun, try it on your own. Try this question. Integration sine square x by 1 plus cos x dx. Till now we have studied integration by substitution method. Can you directly substitute here something, or what to do? Or let me give you a tip, let me give you a hint. What is the topic we are doing now? Integration using trigonometric identities. So what do you have to do here? Use trigonometric identities. So do it quickly. Do it. Use trigonometric identities. Quickly. Huh? What identities can you use? What, Supriya? Huh? You can use. What about the denominator? What about the denominator? You have done this type of questions in PUC 1, if you can remember. I'll give you another 1 minute to think, or 2 minutes to think. I'll give you some 2 minutes to think. What happened? Why do you want the textbook? The hint is not there in textbook. This is PUC 2 textbook, na? How will you get these formulas in this textbook? This is not from example, don't worry. It is from exercise. Venkatesh, what happened?
Both of them we can take separate.
How can you separate? Can you separate division? Then somebody say something. What to do here? Say it. Any idea? Anyone? Any idea?
Sir, I did wrong, but I got half answer correct.
You did wrong, you got half answer correct.
Sin x plus sec is correct, but that x is not correct.
What sin x?
In that answer it is.
Hey Baba, why are you looking at the answer? First solve it.
I solved, sir, I got last.
What you solved? What is the topic? The topic is integration using trigonometric identities. It is not deleted, don't worry. They have deleted a lot of syllabus, but not this. You have to remember your class 11 trigonometric formulas, each and every one of you. Remember the formulas, learn the formulas. Kindly do that. I have been telling you again and again. Harshita, look at the board, not at the camera. Look at your copy and the board and listen to me, not the camera. Harshita, any idea how to do? I told you to learn the formulas, no?
Already done without square.
Yeah, I already did a similar question without square. That was simply substituting, isn't it? But here you cannot just do that. What to do here? Sweetie, any idea? Anyone? Do you remember seeing 1 plus cos x, doing some questions with 1 plus cos x in your PUC 1? Huh? Manas, what do you remember? You just said yes, sir. Forgotten. You have forgotten. How the? Okay, see here everyone. See. May I have your attention please, Channa Keshav? Here, do you remember seeing this 1 plus cos x? Somewhere? PUC 1, CET classes? Huh? What is the formula for cos 2x? 2 cos square x? Huh? There are multiple formulas. Cos square x minus sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 2 cos square x minus 1. So what will happen? If 1 comes to the left side, we will have 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. But here it is 1 plus cos x. We have written the formula for multiple angle. Instead of cos 2x, what if it is cos x? It will become submultiple angle, isn't it? If we divide each angle by 2, if you divide each angle by 2, what can we write? 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Yes or no? 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Can I? Huh? What?
1 by 2.
What 1 by 2?
will divide the whole equation by 2 cos x.
Why?
For cos x.
What cos x? What is 1 plus cos x? We want 1 plus cos x, no? What is the formula of cos 2x? 2 cos square x minus 1. So what if you take 1 to the left side, what will you have? 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. Yes or no? And now we need a formula for 1 plus cos x. So if you just, instead of 2x, if you write here x, what do we do? 2x instead of 2x, when you are writing here x, what we are doing? We are actually dividing the angle by half. What is this 2x? X is basically any angle, isn't it? X will have any value. Instead of 2x, if you write x, that means on the right hand side also, instead of x, you have to write x by 2. We are just dividing each angle by half. Do you remember doing this in PUC 1, submultiple angle formula? Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone? Can we write 1 plus cos x as 2 cos square x by 2? The angle being x by 2? Yes or no? Harshita, the board is here. Yes or no? Huh? Can we write this? Runi, is it clear? Tell me. Manas? Not clear. Why? Huh? You are doing like this. Arey Baba, decide. You want to do like this, you want to do like this, you want to do like this. Which one you want to do? Huh? Is it clear or not? Tell me. Do you remember seeing this formula, Baba? What is cos 2 theta formula? 2 cos square theta minus 1, na? Or cos 2x, 2 cos square x minus 1, na? So what is 1 plus cos 2x? 2 cos square x. So what can we write for 1 plus cos x? Instead of 2x, make it x. 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Divide the angle by half. Can we write this? Definitely. So 1 plus cos x we can write as 2 cos square x by 2, isn't it? Now what about sin square x? Since we changed the denominator, since we changed our denominator to submultiple angle, shouldn't we do the same with the numerator?
Minus x.
Huh? It is x here, it is x by 2. What formula can we apply to sin square x?
Minus cos square. 1 minus
Huh?
cos square.
1 minus cos square x. That will take it to submultiple angle. Look at the angle. We have changed 1 plus cos x to submultiple angle cos x by 2. So exactly. So sin x, sin square x, how can we change it to submultiple angle? Here cos x we consider it as cos 2x, isn't it? Here the cos x we change it to submultiple by taking, say, this is cos 2x. Similarly, how can you change sin square x to submultiple? By taking the formula for sin 2x. What is the formula of sin 2x? What is the formula of sin 2x? Sin 2 theta formula? 2 minus. Sin 2 theta formula, PUC 1. Huh? 2 sin theta into cos theta, isn't it? Arey Baba, what to say? What is sin 2 theta formula? Yesterday when I told you that kindly learn the formulas, go and just revise them, or at least write them in your copy. Why don't you do that? Huh? Why didn't you do that, Ramya? You will not listen to my advice, you will not study at home, nothing at all. At least try to listen to 1 or 2 advice when I say, do this, do that. I say that for a reason, na? Huh? I say that for a reason, yes or no, Arjun? Today, if your mother wants to prepare some food for you, if she wants to prepare something for you, she told you, Arjun, bring me the ingredients today, tonight, within night, before sleeping, so that tomorrow morning I can prepare this for you. And you did not bring anything. You were so lazy, you were sleeping, you were playing, you were doing this and that on your phone, watching reels or whatever. So, tomorrow morning what will happen? Tomorrow morning what will happen? Will you be able to eat that food? Huh? Will you be able to eat something? No, right? Same thing, na? When I told you, just revise your PUC 1 trigonometric formulas. Why did I tell you? Because we were preparing for today's class, yes or no? Huh? You will not study here, you will not study at home. Where will you study? When will you study? Huh? What happened? So, what is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta, cos theta. So instead of 2x, if I write simply x, submultiple angle, taking half of 2x, that is simply writing x. Similarly, this side also, the angles will become half, isn't it? All the angles will become half. Sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So, what will be sin square x now? Sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So, if you square it, what will it become? Square of this 4 sin square x by 2 into cos square x by 2, isn't it?